Windows play a crucial role in your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and aesthetic appeal. In a city like Houston, where the weather can be extreme, from sweltering summers to occasional severe storms, having high-quality windows is essential. But how do you know when it's time to replace them? Here are some key signs that indicate your home may need a window replacement. Rising energy bills. If you've noticed a steady increase in your energy bills, inefficient windows could be the culprit. Old or poorly sealed windows allow air to escape, forcing your HVAC system to work harder to maintain a comfortable temperature. Modern energy-efficient windows with double or triple pane glass and low emissivity, low E, coatings can help reduce energy consumption and keep your home comfortable year-round. Drafts and air leaks. Feeling a draft even when your windows are closed? This is a clear sign that your windows are no longer sealing properly. Over time, weather stripping and caulking can wear down, allowing outside air to enter and conditioned air to escape. If you frequently experience drafts, it might be time to consider upgrading to better insulated windows. Difficulty opening or closing windows. Windows that are difficult to open or close are more than just an inconvenience, they can also be a safety hazard. This issue may stem from warping due to Houston's high humidity, rusted hardware, or a shifting foundation. If you struggle with your windows daily, replacing them with new, smoothly operating ones can improve both functionality and security. Condensation between glass panes. Condensation forming between window panes is a sign that the window seal has failed, allowing moisture to seep in. This can reduce the window's insulating properties and lead to mold growth. In Houston's humid climate, this problem can escalate quickly, so replacing failed double-pane windows is crucial for maintaining a healthy indoor environment. Outside noise infiltration. Do you constantly hear traffic, neighbors, or other outside noises even when your windows are shut? Older windows with single-pane glass or poor insulation may not provide adequate soundproofing. Upgrading to modern double or triple-pane windows with insulating gases like argon can significantly reduce noise pollution and create a quieter home environment. Visible damage or decay. Warped frames, chipped paint, rotting wood, or cracked glass are clear indications that your windows have reached the end of their lifespan. Water damage, often a result of Houston's frequent rainstorms, can cause wood frames to rot and weaken over time. If you notice any of these signs, replacing your windows can prevent further structural damage and maintain your home's integrity. Frequent maintenance and repairs. Are you constantly repainting, resealing, or fixing your windows? If maintaining your windows has become a never-ending task, it might be more cost-effective to replace them altogether. New windows require minimal upkeep and come with warranties that protect against defects and future repairs. Outdated style and curb appeal. Your windows contribute significantly to your home's exterior aesthetics. If they look outdated or don't match the style of your home, it might be time for an upgrade. Modern window designs come in various styles and materials that can enhance your home's curb appeal while providing better insulation and durability. You plan to sell your home. If you're planning to sell your home in the near future, replacing old windows can be a worthwhile investment. Potential buyers often look for energy-efficient features, and new windows can increase your home's value while making it more attractive to buyers. Homes with new windows tend to sell faster and at higher prices. Choosing the right replacement windows. When selecting new windows for your Houston home, consider energy efficiency, durability, and materials suited for the climate. Look for Energy Star rated windows, which are designed to keep your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter while reducing energy costs. Vinyl, fiberglass, and composite materials are excellent choices for withstanding Houston's heat and humidity. Final thoughts. Replacing your windows is an investment that pays off in comfort, energy savings, and home value. If you've noticed any of the signs mentioned above, it may be time to upgrade your windows. Whether you're looking for enhanced efficiency, better noise reduction, or improved aesthetics, new windows can make a significant difference in your home. If you're considering window replacement in Houston, reach out to a trusted local professional to explore your options and get expert advice tailored to your home's specific needs.